Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support. Check that your carrier and plan include RCS, because without network support, you cannot proceed. Once confirmed, install or update Google Messages. It's the most compatible client. With your SIM active and mobile data or Wi-Fi available, open Messages, tap Settings, then Chat Features. Tap Enable Chat Features. This initiates registration with the carrier. Keep the phone on and connected. Registration often completes in seconds to a few minutes. Once you tapped Enable, check the Chat Features screen. You want to see connected or provisioned. If it stays pending, toggle airplane mode or sign out and back in to force reattempts. Next, configure features, enable read receipts, typing indicators, and high-res media if you want better photos and larger files. Make sure Contact Sync is on so RCS users show correctly. Finally, send a test message to another RCS user to confirm features like group chat and typing appear. To finish, restart your phone and reopen Messages to confirm chat features remain connected. This ensures settings stick. If registration stalls, clear the Messages app cache or uninstall updates and reinstall. That often resets provisioning. Make sure your OS is up to date. Carriers sometimes require the latest patches. If problems continue, contact your carrier with device model and approximate provisioning time. They can push a profile or reset your registration. One key tip: try a different network, Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.